Take this cap off right here. You can just use a trim tool or even a straight blade screwdriver. Just get underneath here. And just pop it off. Use a T20 socket. Take this bolt out or screw out. You can take this trim piece off. Just use a trim tool. Just pry behind it. And then slide it up. There's two clips that hold it in. Take this door lock cover off. Just get in behind here. You can use a trim tool or a pick. Just slide it out. It's clipped in there and there. Then take this cover off. You could use a trim tool or just grab it. Pops out like that and then slides out. Take this pin off. Just use a trim tool. Pop it out. Now take these two screws out. Use a 7mm socket. And grab the door panel and slide up and outwards. Disconnect the lamp right here. Just slide the little socket forward. You just grab the socket and pull it forward. Disconnect these connectors. You just have to push down on the little lock tab. And then this other one is a ratchet style. You might need a screwdriver or a pick. I'll show it to you once I get it out. This one right here, when it's locked in there, it looks like this. Then you take your pick and just push down on that and then slide it out as the connector comes out. And then one more, you just push down on the tab. Slide the door panel off. Now take this wire, pull back on the vapor barrier, and slide it out. And there may be some retainers holding the wire on. You can use a trim tool, get behind the retainers, and just pop them out like that. They should be secured to the wire. Disconnect this, pull this insulation out. There's 3 nuts here. Use a 10mm socket. Take those out. Now when you take this last nut off, make sure you hold the mirror from the outside, support it so it doesn't fall. And take that last nut off. And just slide it out. From the outside, take the wires and slide them through. Now install the nuts. Once you get one on, then you can let go of the mirror from the outside. And install the other 2. And snug these down. Not too tight, just snug. That's good. Now you can secure the wire in those locations, or you can use some wire ties. There's those 3 pinholes. And slide it behind the vapor barrier. Reinstall the vapor barrier. Take the door panel. Reconnect the connector. Lock it in place. And lock that ratchet style one down. And then these are the mirror connections. Connect these. And then connect the light socket and just push it in. Now line the door panel up. Once it's somewhat flat, then push down on the door panel. Put this insulation right here. Put these screws back in. The smaller one goes right here. And snug it up. The longer one goes underneath the handle. Now put this cover on. Line it up. And lock it down. Put the lock rod cover on. Make sure it works. Put this trim piece here. And put this pin in. Push it down. Nice and easy. And put this screw in right here. Put the little cap over that, and then you're done.